Well,
Really? Again?
you know what? I'm tired of you coming in here and acting like I'm doing something wrong.
You are doing something.
I'm not. It is a tutorial. He's a cowboy. There's tractors.
Stop.
If you would just listen to me.
No, stop.
Will you just let me enjoy my retirement?
Are you going to make a whole season about this?
I kind of already have. He's a model for the tractors and the horses.
You shouldn't be looking at models.
I'm not. I was looking at the horse.
You said he was a model. So
But he models the horses and the tractor so people want to buy him. I've told you this. Did you want more cereal?
Yes.
Okay.
In fact, cereal, and you should stop.
Never!